Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove InShot Watermark for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up InShot Video Editor app on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create new project. Wait guys, okay, for example, I'm going to use this video. And when we create new project on InShot, there will be this InShot watermark, and you can remove it for free guys. If you don't want to subscribe, you can remove this watermark by watching ad. So you can click on this X button, and then you will have two options. The first one is the InShot Pro. It means that you need to subscribe to InShot, and the watermark will be automatically removed. And the second one, you have free remove, and if you choose free remove, you need to watch ad. Okay, and just watch the ad that appear, and after that you will be able to remove it. Okay, and as you can see that the InShot watermark has been removed from my video, but after this, the watermark will appear again. If you create new project, the watermark keep appearing, okay, like this. So if you want to remove it for free, you need to watch ad again. Or if you want to remove it permanently, you can subscribe to InShot. You will get rid of the watermark. And then the second one guys, I'm going to show you how you can remove the watermark from your video. Okay, for example, I have my own watermark here and I'm going to remove it. I'm going to show you a trick. You can duplicate your video first. I'm going to search for duplicate, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay like this and make the second video align with the first video. And then we're going to use mask. I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we can adjust the mask like this and take another part of our video which is suitable to cover the watermark. I'm going to take this part, and then we can click on the check mark and drag the mask to cover the watermark. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the lightness. For example, I'm going to increase the lightness. I get done, and as you can see that the watermark has been removed. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.